Hey everyone, this is Dave with Mile High Drone Services. It is December 30th, 2022. We are in Longmont, Colorado at the Llama RC field. It snowed a lot last night, as you can see. So it is cold out here, so this is going to be short. What we're going to test today is the drone avoidance feature on the UAS Sentry to show how it will detect drones that are in your vicinity when you are in the air. We've got 3 drones, a Mavic 3 and 2 Air 2Ss. The Mavic 3 will go up first, and then we'll send up the Air 2Ss and see if it detects them when they get within 200 feet of the Mavic 3. So without further ado, it is cold. Let's get to it, and that's it. Okay, we're going to be demonstrating drone avoidance for the UAS Sentry. So we've already got it in drone avoidance mode. We're going to launch a Mavic 3, and then we're going to launch a couple Air 2Ss.
Take off.
Air 2S is in the air. And I'm going to fly out about 400 feet or so. Okay, we'll go to the drone avoidance screen. Okay, Wayne, go ahead and fly the drone towards the Mavic 3. Okay, go ahead and stop, Wayne. So we have an alert. We have a UAV 80 feet from us. The bearing is 151 degrees, which is correct. That's up. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the alarm. Okay, we're going to launch the next drone. So Doug, go ahead and send up the Air 2S. Alrighty. Wayne, go ahead and bring your Air 2S back towards us a little bit. Go ahead and start flying out there, Doug. Okay, that's good. Oh, Wayne, go ahead and go forward again.
Towards us?
No, towards the Mavic 3. Okay, that's go ahead and stop. Okay, Doug, go ahead and fly out. Get close to the Mavic 3. And once the second Air 2S gets closer than the other Air 2Ss, which you just did, it'll detect that. So we've got 2 drones in the air that are near the Mavic 3. The closest one's 135 feet, bearing of 165 degrees, 20 feet above the ground. Heading of 361 indicate it's not moving. Go ahead and move slowly, Doug, to the north. Heading of 350 degrees. There we go. Our MSL indicator is not correct. That's a bug that needs to be fixed. And Doug's going 8 miles per hour. Pause. Yeah, pause. Okay, guys, go ahead and start coming back towards us. So we do not have the internet hotspot connected. That's why we're getting that screen periodically telling us that there's no internet to upload the data to. Okay, so Doug's Air 2S is now more than 200 feet, and so is Wayne's. Okay guys, go ahead and come back and land. I think we're good.